Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have everything laid out because I want to have like a rapid fire art day with all the things. I've got acrylic paint, Neocolors, Stabilo woodies, water brush pens. I got all my sketchbooks. I've been having these like sessions, especially in this sketchbook. I just start sketching and I can't stop. And it's just one page after the next page after the next page. And on days like today, when I'm just full of inspiration and I just want to create a whole bunch of stuff, I figured I would let you come along with me and we'll see what I get into. We'll see how many things I start creating. I've done a couple of videos kind of like this, and that's what I want to do today. We're gonna turn our brains off because you know how much I like turning my brain off. And I like turning my brain off because I'm indecisive and I'm an overthinker. Some people need their brains on, you know? When it comes to art, I'm not one of those people. Anyways, I'm gonna just get going. So I think I'm gonna start in my Moleskine sketchbook. So if you've ever seen any of my videos like this, I like to have everything out where I can easily just grab and go. And I've got my other sketchbooks off to the side, ready to switch them out while one of them's drying. I'll go to the next one so that I can keep moving. I even have a small canvas. Look how small this, it's the size of my sketchbook. That's so cute. Anyways, depending on how I feel, you know, we just kind of go with the flow. I also have an acrylic sketchbook that I like to paint in, so I might do that instead of the canvas. I might do both. It really, you know, sky's the limit today, okay? Because, you know, I just want to go. I want to keep moving from thing to thing. Try not to lose that flow of creating stuff. No matter if it comes out to be good art or bad art, it's practice. Everybody needs practice. And sometimes it's just good to get a lot, just rapid fire, you know, keep going. And maybe you have one successful thing by the end of it. Maybe you have 10 successful things by the end of it. You never know. And that's part of the fun also. So we'll go and we'll see what happens. All right, I think I'm ready to go. All right, my first rapid fire done. I need days like this where I can just go and just see what happens, because I love this. This frog guy, I mean, I love this frog guy. This hand, look at this hand. When I initially started, it was taking the form of a person sitting or something sitting. And so I remembered that I went to our botanical gardens and they had these frog statues sitting on benches and things. And so I was like, oh, I was just kind of running with the idea of having like a frog man sitting on a bench from was it last week? Or the week before last. Anyway, one of my past videos, I did a really close-up view of a fly. Actually, I think it's in this. Yeah, it's in this sketchbook. This. Okay, so I did this close-up view of a fly, and so I put him in here. Is he gonna eat the fly, or is the fly his friend? Comment below if you think he's gonna eat the fly, or if you think the fly is his friend. I don't know where I would be without my Neocolors. I want to hang it on my wall. All right, let's keep going. Do I do another one in this? I have all these other things. I get going in this sketchbook and I just want to keep going in this sketchbook. So should I do that? Okay, now that I'm done with this one, I kind of want to jump on the canvas real quick. I want to paint something that I actually did a couple of days ago. This one. I actually want to do this on a larger canvas, but I think, you know, for practice, I could do it on this and see how it would translate over to canvas. You know, because these were done in the Neocolors, I'm just not sure, you know, how it's gonna look done in paint, but I know that I love everything about this. Exactly where the position of the flowers are. I like how scratchety this bottle is. And also a smaller one won't take, you know, days to do. You know, we might be able to finish it all in one go today. But I just love when I did this. And this was one of those mornings where I was like, I don't know what I want to make. I just want to make something. I've been playing around with the idea of having flowers stuck in a bottle that are just kind of like crammed in there and falling over and stuff. But I want to do like this exact picture. I don't want to change too much about this because I just think it's perfect how it is. The only thing that I'm not sure about is the background. I'm not sure what color I want the background. I'll start out with one color and then I'll probably just fill it in, because a lot of times when you go over top of colors, it actually makes it look better anyway. So, all right, normally I would do a complete underpainting. It might be interesting if I don't do that, and it'll be faster if I don't do that. So yeah. Okay, I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay, rapid fire, ready? Rapid fire. All right, this one's gonna be about, and I can always change this. You know, I don't think that, the good thing about acrylic paint is that you're never really married to any idea because it is very easy to, it's very easy to go over top of it. So it's definitely smaller, but it's also forward facing. Now I did these flowers a bit big so that I can cut in around them after they dry. About right there. So already I can tell placement of this bottle is all wrong, because this should be the bottom. It should come up higher, I think. All right, I think I'm done with this one. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not sold on this background color. I almost wanted to go back and do it like a peach color, or maybe like do, you know, the bottom part peach, so it almost looks like it's sitting on something, the bottle's sitting on something instead of just floating in the air. Or even if there was just like a peach swipe over, which I might still do that, I don't know. But I keep getting interrupted today. It's funny because, you know, I started off the day, I was super like, yeah, let's make a whole bunch of things. And then, you know, I ended up canvas painting. And anybody who does canvas painting or painting of any kind, you know, once you start painting, you're pretty much doing that the rest of the day. And when you keep getting interrupted, it kind of messes with your flow a little bit. It was still a really good day of creating. I love my frog. You know, if nothing else, today was successful because of this drawing. You know, I think that was a success too. You know, it definitely prepares me for, you know, making it a larger canvas. I really like this flower right here. I like that I added the black, the little bits of black to it. I love the stem. You know, I really do like it. I just think it's definitely missing something, and I could definitely keep messing with it and painting. And like I said, I wanted to add like some kind of table that it's sitting on, but today was a good day. If I do some changes to it, I will definitely show y'all in a different video. But for now, that's gonna be that. So I hope I inspired you to get moving and get working on something, whether it's in your sketchbook or on canvas or both. Have a good day with your art. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate everybody who hit the like button and everybody who subscribed. We've had a whole lot of new subscribers, and welcome to everybody, and I appreciate all of you so much. Thank you for all your lovely comments. They're so great. They really lift my spirit. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.